blue marble cannot be drawn. So the probability is 0. There is 0 successful outcomes. Finally, consider the union rule. A probability that one of two events occurs is the probability of the union of the events. The probability of the union is denoted as shown on screen. Let's consider our marbles one more time. What is the probability of the union of red and blue? The probability of this union is the probability of either A or B occurring, which is the sum of the probabilities of A occurring and B occurring. There are 7 red and blue marbles, so the probability of success is 7 out of 10, or 0.7. To recap, classical probability theory states the probability, P of success, of an outcome in a statistical experiment ranges from 0 to 1 and is calculated using the formula P of success is equal to the number of successful outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. A conditional probability is the probability that an event A occurs given that an event B has occurred. The complement of the probability of an event occurring is the probability that the event will not occur. The probability that 2 events A and B occur is the intersection of the sets A and B. And the probability that one of 2 events A and B occurs is the probability of the union of A and B. The notations for these probabilities are shown on screen. This concludes our introduction to the theory of probability. Recall that all the theories shown are only relevant to the classical theory of probability. That is, one in which all events are mutually exclusive and equally likely to occur. Welcome to the probability module of our elementary statistics course. In this module, you will learn the classical theory of probability and probability theory notation. In a statistical experiment, the probability of any particular sample point ranges from 0 to 1. A high probability event has a probability close to 1, while a low probability event has a probability close to 0. The total probability of the sample set is 1. The probability of a particular event or combination of sample points, A, is equal to the sum of the probabilities of each sample point in A, and is denoted P of A, as shown on screen. The classical theory of probability states that the probability of a certain outcome occurring is the ratio of the total number of successes, or favorable outcomes, to the total number of possible outcomes.